This is happy baby pose. We're going to start off in this lying position before we get into our happy baby pose. Now we're going to draw the legs and the knees into the chest on an inhale. Just pull them in. And then take your hands, grab onto your 2 big toes with your 2-piece fingers. Okay, and then start to just pull the legs in towards you. Feel those hips expanding and opening, very gentle. And then you want to move your legs up so that your ankles are in line with your knees. Okay, so as you're here, you're trying to keep your shoulders dropped. Try not to stretch them out or tense them. Just allow your shoulders to drop. Chin is slightly tucked in. Always working the thyroid gland, feeling the spine nice and flat. Decompressing onto your mat. And just feel that you're drawing your legs or your knees in a little bit more, feeling it in the belly, feeling the groin relax and open and the hips. And just natural breathing in and out of the nose. And if you feel you can go wider while your ankles are still in line with your knees, you see what feels right for you. You want to hold this for about a minute or two. It's a nice relaxing pose, and then when we want to come out of it, then back into a lying down position.